AgentX Dialysis Management System is an integrated platform to manage the healthcare information of dialysis. The system consists of 4 modules: personal diet suggestion, chatbot conversation records, dialysis healthcare suggestion, and an integrated dashboard, which allows caregivers to conveniently track the patient's health and performance health education. After the patient talks to the chatbot, our large language AI model generates personalized dietary suggestion based on patient's health information. On the personal dietary suggestion interface, healthcare professionals can browse and modify the dietary suggestion generated by the AI, and manually modify to optimize the customized advice according to the patient's personal dietary habits. The conversation with the AI chatbot to generate the content of the dietary suggestion and the corresponding reminder time of can also be reviewed through the conversation records interface. A conversation summary made by the AI provides a snapshot for healthcare workers to quickly review and understand the status of the chatbot usage of the patient. In addition, the patient's dialysis risk information analyzed by our other product, the Dialysis Hypotension AI Detector, is also integrated into this management system, providing healthcare professionals with relevant dialysis reference and care recommendations for personalized treatment in advance. The editable function also allows healthcare professionals to correct or record new information at any time, and download documents. The integrated dashboard shows the health information of the patient. The summary of the health information is generated and allows easy review and editing by caregivers for downloading, which is convenient for their daily work. The visualization of health data allows caregivers to understand the patient's health status and the progress of health education more quickly. With AgentX, we make both patients' and caregivers' daily life quality better.